Understanding Renovation Team, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, renovation team. This term is commonly used in construction and home improvement contexts, and understanding it can be very useful. Let's dive in and learn more about what a renovation team does and how this term is used in everyday language. Renovation refers to the process of improving or modernizing something, especially a building. It's about making something old new again or bringing it back to life with improvements. The word comes from Latin, where renovare means to renew or restore. A team is a group of people who work together to achieve a common goal. In this context, it implies collaboration and shared skills. So, a renovation team is a group of professionals who work together to renovate or improve buildings or homes. They might include architects, builders, electricians, plumbers, and interior designers, all working together. The term renovation team is not just limited to professional settings. You might hear it in various contexts. 1. Home improvement shows. On television, you often see a renovation team transforming old houses into beautiful homes. 2. Real estate. Real estate agents might suggest hiring a renovation team to increase a property's value before selling. 3. Community projects. Sometimes, a group of volunteers forms a renovation team to help restore community centers or local landmarks. Understanding this term can help you better follow such conversations and contexts. Here are some related terms you might come across. Renovation project. The specific task or plan the team is working on. Contractor. A person or company that manages renovation teams and projects. Blueprints. Technical drawings that guide the renovation process. Remodel. Similar to renovate, but often implies significant structural changes. We hope this video has helped you understand what a renovation team is and how the term is used in various contexts. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but understanding how they fit into everyday life. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.